Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 13th of October. And first of all, national news. Aware of Lakshman Rekha but will probe demonetization, Supreme Court. Vande Bharat train to cut Chandigarh-Delhi route to less than 3 hours. Interpol sent back India's request for notice against Khalistan separatists. To become profitable, Byju's to lay off 2,500 employees in next 6 months. Delhi might approach Germany for building world-class roads. Indian Army to procure electric vehicles for select units to reduce carbon emissions. Aadhaar Authority asked citizens to update cards issued over 10 years ago. Delhi University released UG academic calendar for first year. Classes to begin from November 2. Tripura Police special gesture for President Draupadi Murmu. Prakash Singh Badal questioned for 3 hours in Kotakpura firing case. Olympian Sushil Kumar to face murder trial for junior wrestler's death. And now some international news. Liz Truss faced fresh headache as India-UK free trade deal stuck. UK still wants free trade deal with India by Diwali. Europe likely to witness another COVID wave, WHO warned. Joe Biden called on 3 Los Angeles Council members' resignation over leak audio. Air defense for Ukraine top priority, NATO chief said. Biden talked of US action if Russia uses nukes on Ukraine. Russia detained 8 suspects over Crimea bridge blast. China looking at Ukraine war to develop hybrid warfare, Taiwan security chief. After Russian airstrikes, Ukraine's Zelensky pleaded for air shield. And now news related to business. Sensex rallied over 470 points to stall a 3-session losing streak. Rupee closed nearly flat at 82.31 per dollar despite a sore global mood. RBI's rate hike to have limited impact on Indian banks' profits, Moody'S. Nirmala Sitharaman said very carefully structured budget to address growth, inflation concern. SBI became largest home loan provider as it tops rupees 6 lakh crore mark. Retail inflation rise to 7.41% in September, highest since April. Cabinet announced bonus for railway employees equaling 78 days of wages. Government to give rupees 22,000 crore to state-run oil firms to cover losses. 2022 Nobel Economics Prize puts focus on central banks' role to avoid a crisis. India's projected debt ratio to be 84% of GDP, IMF. Now news related to sports. Surya Kumar Yadav remains static at second in T20's international rankings. Mohammad Rizwan still occupying first spot. ICC rankings, Shreyas Iyer, Kuldeep Yadav gained after consistent performances in ODI series against South Africa. Novak Djokovic would love to play at Australian Open tournament chief. AIU banned discus thrower Kamalpreet Kaur for 3 years for using steroids. Chess Grandmaster Vidit Gujarati bagged silver, helped team to win gold at European Club Cup 2022. Now news related to science and technology. NASA confirmed DART mission test successfully altered asteroid DIMORPHOS orbit. Japan's space agency rocket carrying 8 satellites failed. Scientists want to use broccoli gas to look for life on other planets. And that's all in news. Thank you to all of you.